that the brothers on the rise now. Endless celebrations all in my house. Levitating now, I'm super duper fly now. London boy, but DC where I reside now. Put the time in while you always yelling time out. And for quit it, cause I know I'm coming with it. You were sitting, you were wishing I was handling my business. Now I got the ball like Harry Potter playing Quidditch. And my business so humongous, you would think that happens in it. Oh man, I'm all that, yeah, I'm all that. Looking for that whip, yeah, that what you call that. I'ma blow up in the summer, have them yelling fall back. And I've always been ahead like an effing ball cap. Man, I came in the game like, whoa. Got a couple chains on me cause I like gold. They told me I'm the best and I told them I know. Cause when I'm in your town, every ticket I sold. Yeah, they saying I'm the man. Facts, bro. Lot of haters, tell me where they at though. I'm the new pop, all I do is rap though. Want me on your song, throw a couple stacks, yo. Woo! Everybody wanna do the same thing. Yup, that's why we ain't.
Ang Kapehan ni Andrew po ay nagsimula last year, July 29, 2018. It was Sunday and yung una-una, kinuha ko ng idea is kinuhan ko yung idea ng mga ano talaga yung iput up ko ng negosyo. So ito nga, na-put up ko yung Kapehan ni Andrew because marami na akong riders na kaibigan at mahilig din sa kape, and also I'm a rider, mahilig din sa kape. So yun nga, pinangalanan ko na Kapehan ni Andrew, and so ito nga, ito na-establish tayo. So medyo madami-dami na rin yung bumibisita dito sa ating place, especially kasi isa pinopromote ko rin dito yung lugar is which is Don Salvador, Benedicto, Negros Occidental. So where Kapehan ni Andrew is situated, and yun nga, marami nang bumibisita and hopefully marami pang bibisita soon. Yun nga, kanina lang andito si GT ng Motor Pilipinas, where nagra-ride din sila all over the country. So yun nga, proud tayo na pinuntahan tayo dito ni GT. Pag-usapan natin like mga souvenirs, meron tayong mugs, personalized mugs with your name. Tapos may mga logo din, may mga t-shirts din tayong mga inibenta. And talking about food, we serve Filipino food. Tinolang manok, Bisaya yun adobo, and basta masarap. Basta pagkain masarap. Masarap magluto yung taga Negros eh. Ang importante talaga is respeto. Respeto sa bawat isa at yun nga, isang hilig eh. Magmumotor, kahit anong motor ka dyan, basta ang respeto andyan, hindi yun mawawala. Wala talagang lawangan kahit yung motor mo malaki. Yung motor mo maliit, basta respeto lang. Yun lang yung akin kasi hindi rin ako yung tao tipo ng tao na respeto talaga yung gusto ko. Invite ko na lang po kayo sa Kapehan ni Andrew located at Don Salvador, Benedicto. This was founded last year and hopefully there are more years to come sa ating humble na Kapehan, and hopefully every Sunday gawin nating masayang pagsasama dito, parang fiesta ba, parang may birthday lang. You can like my FB page, the same lang yung pangalan ng FB page ko sa yung Kapehan, which is Kapehan ni Andrew, and there's my andun na yung number ko kung gusto nyo mag-contact, or pwede na rin mag-PM na rin kayo kung gusto nyo gusto nyo ring stickers, maraming stickers dito. Punta na lang kayo, kita-kits.
God that the brothers on the rise now. Endless celebrations all in my house. Levitating now, I'm super duper fly now. London boy,